Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a productive tip for you to manage route paths in your Next.js application. So be it a small application or a big application, especially big application that you are not going to be the only one working on the team, or maybe it's an application that maybe after some time you've worked on it, you want to come back to it and still feel good. So for us to get what is happening here, so I'm going to just paste it in. So this is the normal way you do routing in Next.js. That is, if you want to go to login route, you just put the /login, then register profile like this. So this will work very well. For instance, let's say you have about 10 or 20 places whereby you have done something like this. So, and over time, let's say you now want to put this login in something like, let's say /auth, like that, and you come to register like this and you say /auth again. So imagine this is not the only place you have used this. So that means you now need to go and be navigating through your file and everything before you can get this out. So now, if your project is small, this is good. There's nothing bad in it. You can just do it to get quick and going about it. So, but let me give you another approach that is very, very productive and will give you a breeze, will give you rest of mind as you manage paths. Maybe you change your your route name, your directory name, because Next.js is using file-based routing. So you change all of those things easily. You can just go to one place, change your route, and you are good to go. So I've given something here. So I have a directory. If you watch my video on how to structure Next.js application, the link will be in the description, so you can check it out. So I have this. I put out something like this, whereby you can create your route. So I have user routes here. So if I open this user route, this is where I define all my route paths. So you can see index, then go to login, go to register, and to user profile. So how will I be able to use this now? So let's come back to our component and just here. So I'm just going to clear out some things here. So this login, so I'll just replace it with user routes dot let's say login. Then you come to register again. So let's just say user route register. What's happening? User route register. So dot register. Then for profile, you will notice that here I'm having profile, then the ID of the user. So that is a dynamic route. So how do you do that? If you come back to my route here, you'll notice it's just a callback here. So, and that's how you get that one done. So let's go back to our component. So what you just do here is just do user routes dot profile, then you pass in the ID of the user into this component, and that is just it. So if anything is going to change in this route now, so it's going to be here. So I can just come here and say, oh, I've renamed my folder, I've moved it. So I just come to this route path object and just say auth. I can put anything can just change, and anywhere I am using that, it's going to just pick it up. So this is very, very good. And if you've worked with framework like, let's say, Laravel, or you've worked with Adonis.js, some of those opinionated framework, it saves you all of this, because you can easily do route name, and you only reference that route by name. But in Next.js, we don't have that. So for you to manage that complexity, you can just use this approach, and you're covered. You're covered. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have anything to say, just shoot in the comments below. Thank you so much. Meet you in another release.